Hello, my name is Carl, and today I'm going to show you how to disable objects in aligned elements. So with disabling, we mean removing items from the visible views in the project. And how do you do that? Well, if you've opened an item in a base form, you've probably noticed this disabled checkbox control in the upper part. And the idea here is that if you click this checkbox and you commit the object, of course you need to enter a change comment, and we click OK. Now this item is removed from all the visible parts of the project. And this is the method that we use when we want to remove design control items from all the visible views. It's no longer used in the project anymore, but it still exists in the database. So we haven't completely deleted the item. And we can actually access this item again if we go into the project history. As you know, this acts as our audit trail. And the project history now contains an entry for this action that I made. I disabled the item. And I can double click on this item, which opens the item again in the form. And if I want to re-enable the item, I simply uncheck the disable checkbox, click OK, enter a proper change comment, and commit. So we can now see that the requirement 1 has reappeared in the project, but it's not in its original chapter. So make sure that you place it in the chapter where you want it to be afterwards. It always appears in the root of the object chapter structure. Also make sure that when you have disabled an item, the item is not automatically removed from the documents in which you have placed it. So the inconsistencies will pick up on the fact that your documents are not up to date. But remember to synchronize these documents in order to make sure aligned elements remove it from the document completely. You may also have noticed that this project history can be very, very long. And you might ask, how on earth will I find a disabled items if it happened a long time ago? And for this we have an extra filter which is called currently disabled objects, which will then automatically filter out all the currently disabled objects in your project, which will make it much easier to find. Thank you for watching.